What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today, Samsung has pushed a new update that brings a brand new widget to the Galaxy smartphones. It's rolling out gradually, so if you don't have it just yet, it'll start coming pretty soon. I'm gonna show you guys the all new features for that widget and show you how you can enable it on your home screen if you're interested. Before we get started, I do want to thank my son Jonathan for giving me the tiny dinosaur today. We got little baby Rexy hanging out over here on the left-hand side. And I also want to remind you guys that if you're interested in saving some money on your wireless service, you can do so by switching to my partners over at Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile has premium wireless starting at just $15 a month. And right now, one of their best deals of the year, you can get unlimited premium wireless, just $15 a month. They have a number of different plans with data sizes and pricing. A 5 gig plan for $15. Usually this one is $20 a month for the 15 gig plan, 20 gigs, and the unlimited. You can see during their current deal, all of them are 15 bucks a month. So obviously go with that unlimited plan to get the best value for 50% off the usual price. All the plans come with limited talk and text, nationwide coverage, also mobile hotspot included as well. I've been using them for now about 9.5 months in the Phoenix, Arizona area, and I've had great service. If you guys want to give them a try today, it's one of the best times to do so. Go to my link, mintmobile.com/Springer. Sign up for any 3-month Mint Mobile plan. You'll get the 50% off the unlimited price right now with this limited time offer. And also, if you sign up with my link, you get a smartphone case of your choice. Any smartphone case you want for any smartphone brand. Doesn't have to be Samsung. As long as you sign up with my link, mintmobile.com/Springer for a 3-month Mint Mobile plan. It's also in the pinned comment and description. Get in touch with me via email or over on Twitter in DM, and I'll get that free case out to you guys. It's very simple to switch to Mint. You get either an eSIM or a physical SIM, so it's a really simple process, and I do appreciate Mint for being partners with the channel. So let's talk about the update. Go over to the Galaxy store as usual. The update is to the Samsung Notes application. I use it quite a lot for keeping track of notes, for research I'm doing for videos, things like that, or just grocery list, everyday stuff around the house. The recent update rolled out on July 14th, 2023. This is a staged rollout as usual with Samsung. I didn't get it until yesterday, which is July 18th. I'm recording this on the 19th. Version 4.4.08.55, a 90.66 megabyte update. So it's got a lot of bug fixes, including some that had problems with transparency settings when you had notes set on your home screen via widget. But there's also a new widget that has an entire list of the notes. So really quickly, let me show you the old version because I actually didn't get the update on my unlocked one. This is my usual unlocked model, still rocking out with the Arc Pulse case, if anyone's wondering. But anyway, on this model, I actually didn't get it yet. So just to show you that this is in fact a staged rollout for everyone, if you go on my Samsung Notes on here, my last update was July 3rd, 4.4.07.24. So this is the old version, just to show you guys what was on the old version in terms of the widget options. If you go to the home screen and long press, go down to widgets, scroll down and find Samsung Notes, you notice you have 3 widget options. You can see the different widget options that you have. You've got Note Shortcut, which is just one note, Note Creator, which basically gives you the option to do text notes, pins, change colors, pictures, audio notes by recording some audio. And then you've got the 5x2 single note, which lets you get a little bit bigger view of the note, kind of see the whole entire note on the home screen. But with the new version, let me go back to my AT&T model. This is the black one that I was showing you guys at the beginning of the video, the one that has the update. If you now go into the home screen, and this is actually the widget. Let me go ahead and show you how to route it. Long press on the home screen, go to widgets, scroll down again and find Samsung Notes. You see now there are 4 options. If you hit the arrow, there's the ones we had before, Note Shortcut, Note Creator, and 4x2 now. Actually, they changed that. I didn't even notice that. This is now a 4x2. The other one was 5x2. But I think that's probably because I have 5 columns on my home screen. I don't think that's a change they made by default. This one I left the default, which is 4. So I don't think Samsung changed that in this version. It's just specific to how many columns of icons I have on my home screen. But anyway, this is the new one, Notes List. So if you tap on it and tap Add, it'll take you into your notes, and you can choose as many notes as you want. Some of the ones I have here are scribbles, some of them are grocery lists, but you can choose all the ones you want and then hit Done, and then it's going to add them here. Now, of course, just like any other widget, you can long press, you can expand it so that you can see your full list of notes. And this is kind of nice because it shows you not only a preview, but then will let you jump into any one of those individual notes. Down here, of course, you can edit the settings. If you go to settings, it's basically going to show you the different ones that you have. You can move them up or down. You can add another one here. You'll notice here, because this is actually on dark mode, it doesn't give you the option for white or black for the background color. you have to have that set. If you turn off dark mode, you'd be able to edit that as well. But of course, then you can move these notes up or down as well if you want, and then add a new one. And then the last thing, of course, is down here, as usual with any Samsung widget, you can also create a stack. So you could pick another widget that you would then be able to add to this. So another widget of the same size, like my bookmarks, you could add my bookmarks there from Samsung Internet, and then you would have a stack of widgets that you can then swipe through and get to any of those widgets at one time. So if you use Samsung Notes like I do, I kind of import things back and forth between Google Keep and Samsung Notes, but I still keep both of them kind of synced simultaneously because I want to be able to access them on any device and also in either platform. But I do use Samsung Notes a lot, and it's a very useful feature. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification icon for future videos like this. Again, if you guys want to save some money on your wireless service right now, one of the best deals of the year, 50% off the unlimited plan, mintmobile.com/Springer. Sign up for any 3-month Mint Mobile plan. Get in touch with me via Twitter, DM, or email if you use my link, and I will send you out a free smartphone case of your choice for any manufacturer and also any phone case that you'd be interested in for just signing up. That's a personal thank you from me. I really appreciate you guys checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.